Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be doing another lead code 504 base 7 an easy one. Given an integer num, return a string with its base 7 representation. So this is an easy one. You know how we used to do a binary, you can say representation. We just divide it by 2, and if the remainder is 0, then we have 0, and we again divide the number by 2. For example, in this case, the example for example 14, binary representation of 14, we will have 7 as a quotient, and 7 will leave us remainder 1 if we divide it again by 2, and now 2 will leave us 3. uh, Dividing 2, uh, 7 by 2 will leave us 3, and we will be dividing 3 again, it will leave us remainder 1 and just 1. So we will be passing it here, and the binary representation of 14 will be 110. And the same with base 7. So if we have 100, you can see, like, if we divide it by 7, we will be getting the remainder of 2, because 714 is just 9 8 98. Okay, so like 14 here, and now if we divide 7 and 14 by 7, we'll be getting a 0 reminder and just a 2 quotient. And now we have our quotient like this, so we will just pass it to the very left because it is no more divisible, just like the one it was here, like as a quotient, and we pass it to the very right, and now we can just return the base 7 representation of 100, which is 202, as you can see on the very left, example number 1. So let's get started. First of all, we will be making a result string, and taking the negative number here, like indentation is messed up here. Okay, okay, this is good. So saving a number, because it can be negative, and we will obviously be working on a positive integer, so just taking the absolute of that num, and while that, first of all, we will check if that num is equal to 0, we can just return in this case a string o 0. And now we will check if num is, while num is greater than 0, we will go inside, and reminder will be because we want to obviously pop from the very left and then perform all our operations to it. And now what we'll be doing is just num taking it reminder by 7, and just appending it to our result by typecasting it also. So reminder will be like this, and after all of this we will just perform the quotient on it, so we can get rid of the last element we just took as a reminder, and that's it. So if we have saved our negative number, if negative number is less than 0, if it is, then obviously we are going to return a string with a negative, adding it with our result and obviously reversing it. And in the else case, we are just going to return a simple, you can say, result by reversing it. So that's it. Let's see if this works or not. And this works, and that's it.